Hello everyone, I forgot to make an intro for this vlog, but don't worry, this is just a room tour at the HG Tenerife Sur. We upgraded to a 2-bedroom apartment from a 1-bedroom apartment, so why don't you come with us and have a look around. So here we go, we walk in to there straight away. As you can see, we have a kitchen area. I'm not sure if that's an oven, truth be told. That looks more like a microwave, so we do not have an oven. Unless it's hidden somewhere else, but straight away there is a fridge in here with a nice bottle of aqua, water. And your disposal bin underneath. Obviously you've got your sink, you've got your hob, you've got some stuff in here to obviously cooking with. I was kind of hoping there would be an oven in here, but beggars can't be choosers, truth be told. With your plates and that here. So that is your little kitchen area. We now walk into the front room, a nice starting dining table. We start with your lovely sitting area. A couple of sofa spots here. If these are sofa beds, I will put it out and you will see it in a second. A nice TV on the wall. You have blinds, mesh blinds, what looks like you could possibly, I'm not 100% sure, but I think you might be able to open the windows. Big balcony out there, what we will go out and have a look at very soon. We have Danny's room coming up now. So we walk into Danny's room. I paid a bit more, so I got to choose room. Danny has his own bathroom. I'm not sure if there's a sensor light. Oh, there we go. So he's got a nice little sink there. His own toilet. He's got a bath as well. So if you like baths, with a nice shower over the top with towels just here. You can see he's got a nice wardrobe as well where he's put all his stuff in already. We walk into his bedroom. He's got 2 nice sized beds. A mirror to love himself. Nice little small TV in his bedroom as well. So he's got a TV. Danny has a small balcony with no chairs or anything. Views of the mountains, I suppose, and quarry work. It does slightly wrap round here. Very nice. Then we go and walk to my room. I don't know if Danny's even been in my room yet.
Oh yeah. No.
Got a nice chair here as well for sitting down as well. Some more storage stuff here. I have the big bed. I have a sink just here in the room. Then the bathroom. I haven't seen this yet, so I have the bathroom. A bit more better than Danny's bathroom, but I only have a shower. What's fine for me. But there we go, nice little shower in here. Danny loving himself, people, look, seriously. By the way, if anybody's interested, there is hair dryers here. We've obviously got the space where you can put stuff in as well. A few hangers in there. Now let's go out onto the balcony. This is the main balcony. So walking out of my room, oh look at this. This is a massive, massive balcony. As you can see from here, you got a couple of lounges, what remind me of the K in Columbus. The view out here, Danny's view is just this way. This wraps all the way round. Nice normal chairs as well if you want to sit down. And if you're a smoker, there's an ashtray there. And as you can see as well, double doors that you can use from the living room area as well. It's a very big balcony space. While we're here, the resort is doing work. There's not much we can do about it, but it's right on the other side of the resort over there. So we can't even hear it over here. And obviously just down there is places like Buddy's Bar and places like that, I suppose. Can't think of other ones all the time off the top of my head. And the pool is just down here. Now obviously we've only been here a few minutes, so I will add an extra bit towards the end of the break here to tell you our honest opinion of this resort. But so far we're pretty happy with what we've got. And I've just realised as well, we do have a sea view. Fantastic, it's absolutely stunning.